Okay, so we're back. It's getting a little bit dark, so we're going to take our first bit of turkey off the truck. So I'm not sure how this is going to go, but we're going to go in here. We're going to take it off the traverse first. Now, I don't know how hot this is going to be. I'm just going to go and grab this here. We're going to do one, and then we're going to see how this turns out. We'll cut it open and see what's going on there. Here we go. Ooh, that's a little bit warm. Okay, so let's get that going. Let's go see how this works.
Cracking it open.
So we're back here. We're back at our little cooking station. So we're gonna try this out. We're just gonna take this, and this is the big event right here. Let's see. What is this? It's a Wawa gobbler. Look at that. That's amazing. Oh, this is just the way that I like my turkey. This is great. So good. Man, this is amazing.
You would say it's a success?
Everybody should do it.
Look at that turkey.
That looks great. Okay, Jason, so we are, it's getting dark here, so we're going to go and actually get the smaller pieces that we did off of here, thinking that hopefully those were cooked a little bit longer. We're going to have to get down in there. Okay, that was hot. I don't know what I just touched, but it was hot. So we're going to put that down there. We're going to go let that keep going. Okay, Jason, we're back. We got our turkey here. I'm a little concerned that this foil does not feel very warm. Oh, I see juices. Seems like it's getting a little bit warmer as we move down through the layers here. Wow, look at how not cooked that is at all.
Well, try it out. Looks delicious.
Okay, so we're back here in our cooking area. We're going to unwrap this and see how this turned out. Ooh, look at that. Nice and juicy. Ooh, it's getting hot. Ooh, boy, that's hot. Okay, let's take a look at this. Ooh, wrap it. Whoa. Ooh. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. That looks delicious. That is the best turkey I've ever had made on a truck engine. Fantastic. Who wants some? Look at that. Look how good you can make that. All here at Frederick Chevrolet, that's how you can make. If you buy trucks from us, your turkey will look like that when you try to cook it.